Good morning, dear students of class 10. Hope everyone heard the news today that our Honorable Prime Minister again extended the lockdown period up to 3rd of May. It's mean the social national emergency period is continue up to 3rd of May. So during this period, the studies should not be hampered by any cause. So dear friends, I personally request to all of you, please guide your children. They are really followed up the teachers or not. Whatever the materials the teachers provided, whatever the videos they provided, the students are preparing note or not, please guide to all of them. Okay, so dear students, today I'm going to teach about another concept. The concept is the unification of Italy. It means it's a 5-mark questions for board exam. The questions are come, what is the process, what was the process of unification of Italy, or what was the condition of Italy before unification. So in previous class I told German unification. So German unification is a kind of process, like the first point Italy unification also is a kind of process. How it's kind of process? The condition of Italy, what was before unification, means before the Italy was divided into 7 states. Okay, only the Sardinia, Piedmont areas are ruled over by the Italian princely house. First, second point. Third point, central part is ruled over by the Pope. The northern part is ruled over by the Austrian Habsburg. The southern region is again ruled over by the Bourbon King of Spain. Up to here, no doubt. North, South, Central and Sardinia, Piedmont. No doubt. Next, in the year 1830, a leader, his name was Giuseppe Mazzini. In the year 1830, he wanted to unite the Italy. So he start a secret society. It's called as the Young Italy and Young Europe. His two basic objectives to unify the Italy. The first one is the economic development of the country, and second one is the political dominance. These two concepts, he start these two secret society. So what happened? He declared King Victor Emmanuel II as the king for the unification of Italy. So it was in the year 1831 and 1848 the revolutions was totally destroyed or ruined, means it was suppressed. So what happened? One leader again, the chief minister of Sardinia Piedmont, the area ruled by the Italian princely state, his name Mr. Cavour or Count Cavour, Count-Cavour, again Count Cavour, the leader, led the movement for the unification of Italy. In the year 1859, he means the Sardinia Piedmont made alliance with the France, and they both suppressed the Austrian forces. In the year 1860, Sardinia Piedmont forces marched to the south of the Italy and kingdom of the two Sicilies and drove out the Spanish ruler. In the year 1860, the Sardinia Piedmont forces marched to the south of the Italy, and this area is ruled over by the Spanish ruler. Two Sicilies area also and the southern Italy also. So they all are drove, means the Piedmont Sardinia army can ditch and drove out the Spanish ruler. In the year 1861, Victor Emmanuel was declared the king of the United Italy, and Rome was declared as the capital of Italy. These are the points you have to write about point wise, means first point to last point, 7 or 8 points are having 5-mark questions. No confusion, no doubts. Two leaders, one is called as the Giuseppe Mazzini, another one is called as the Count Cavour. One more questions come. What is the role? Who was there? Or they come. who was Count Kevar? The questions come, and the questions come, who was the Gaspar Mazzini? Gaspar Mazzini is the one of the leader. The questions come. Gaspar Mazzini was an Italian revolutionary. He started two secret societies called as the Young Italy, another one is called the Young Europe. His two objectives was economic development and political dominance. The questions come, who was called the Count Kevar? Count Kevar means was the chief minister of the Sardinia Piemonte, and he was a good administrator. He worked for the unification of Italy. These are the points. Okay, hope everyone understood the concept. If having any doubts on this question, please WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number, not in group, on my WhatsApp number. Send me the doubts. Okay, thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.